Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a GA4 property with your measurement ID and Shopify admin access. Once confirmed, open Shopify and back up your current theme. Next, remove any legacy Universal Analytics tags to avoid duplicate tracking. Then add your GA4 measurement ID to online store preferences or via a tag manager if you prefer. Make sure to list the purchase and cart events you want tracked so you can map them correctly later. Now you implement tracking. Insert GA4 via Google Tag Manager for flexibility, or paste the GA4 G-tag snippet into theme. Liquid if you need a simpler setup. Once inserted, push Shopify transaction and product data into the data layer and map keys to GA4 events like purchase and add to cart so analytics receives structured data. Use GTM triggers to fire events and set appropriate parameters. Finally, verify each event appears in GA4 debug view. If not, recheck variable names and trigger conditions. Complete the process by publishing your GTM container or saving theme changes and clearing caches so updates go live. Then monitor GA4 monetization and engagement reports for 24 hours to confirm purchases and revenue flow correctly. Make sure conversions are mapped as goals if you rely on those. If events don't show, first check for duplicate tags or leftover Universal Analytics code. Then confirm cookie consent banners aren't blocking tracking and rule out browser.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.